And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Went to the commercial. I'm talking with them. I said, I'm trying to follow the moon around. We cleared things out. Had this great look. It was like all these craters. You could see it. I posted it last night. And then, of course, right when I go to air, it blurs out. But that's okay. You can still see it. And the point is we've cleared the clouds out, and you can actually see. It's not super anymore, but it's still bright and beautiful. And with the skies clearing out, it's actually turned out to be a beautiful evening. Come on, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. And I'm done. That's what's going on. High temperatures for today. Before the thunderstorms, I know not everybody had one, but where we did have some thunderstorms, heavy rain, and it really cooled the air quickly. What I mean by that is before the thunderstorms raced through, we spiked temperatures all the way up into the 80s, and some areas actually came really close to 90. Taunton at 89, New Bedford 88, Pawtucket 84. But in Taunton, when that thunderstorm rolled through, your temperature went from like 87 to 68. That's how quickly the air cooled when those thunderstorms raced through. And those thunderstorms producing some hail and some damaging winds and some heavy rain. And most locations that dealt with some of the rainfall picked up a quick ½ an inch, in some areas even more than 1 inch. I'll show you the rain totals in a moment. Temperatures that were near 90 earlier today have fallen back into the 60s and even some 70s. It's still a little muggy out there, especially for eastern zones. We're getting some drier air moving in from the west, and that will arrive for all locations by morning, and therefore tomorrow we get a little break from the humidity. And it's still warm, but it's just not quite as sticky as it was today. So satellite and radar, things have quieted down where we had the storms. We've cleared out the clouds quickly. And the rest of the night is feet up on the desk for Jeff, because it's going to be clear, and then tomorrow sunny, and a real nice weekend setting up too, if you don't mind a little heat and humidity by Sunday. Rainfall totals, let me break this down. This is the last 12 hours. You see a lot of rain through central Mass and even clipping northern Rhode Island. That happened last night between about 4 and 7 a.m. There were some showers and storms. And even down at the coast in Mystic, right by my house, I had a storm at like 3:30 in the morning. I was like, liquid gold, this is great. But the rainfall from the storms this afternoon is this line here. And areas in parts of South County picked up about 1/4 inch to ½ an inch, but then the storm blew up in southeastern Mass, and there were some locations in Plymouth County that picked up over 1 inch of rainfall with the storms today. It was much needed rain. We just don't want to have the storm damage, and there was some wind damage and also some large hail reported in Bridgewater and Taunton. Could do without that, but the rainfall was nice. Clear skies the rest of the night, sunshine when we wake up tomorrow. Temperatures get to about 70 degrees by 8 a.m. and finish off in the afternoon somewhere in the low to mid 80s across the board. Temperatures from north to south will not be that much of a difference, so if you're making it a beach day, certainly a beach day in Rhode Island and for southeastern Mass, winds will remain generally light, sunshine, gorgeous, and what a picture-perfect Friday. High temperature tomorrow of 85 in Taunton, 85 in Attleboro, North Attleboro area, and Fall River, a high temperature of 84. I got this beach forecast graphic. I'm going to use it for tomorrow, and I'll probably use it for Saturday and Sunday as well, because the weather for the weekend looks just as nice. If you're going to the beach tomorrow, air temperature low to mid 80s, surf about 3 feet, and overall just an ideal beach day. Followed up on Saturday with more sunshine, mid 80s. Humidity creeps back on Sunday, a little cloud cover in the afternoon, but still nice. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Crossing fingers and holding out hope for some rain on Monday. Models backing off on that just a bit. Isolated storm for Tuesday, and then hot Wednesday and Thursday with high temperatures around 90 degrees. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. Just